Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to compare technical specifications of the G10 by Xiaomi with the G10 Plus and what are some important things that you need to know. So the primarily most important thing is that are like really similar products. You can see it right here. The weight is the same, suction power same, battery life same, charging time, dustbin capacity same. Then you're gonna have the display is the same, noise level the same. Then you're gonna have filtration system is the same. The additional features you're going to find here, auto adjust suction power for G10 Plus, but I don't know if also the G10 has it, but it was like hidden somewhere, so I don't take this like, okay, this is the truth. But other than that, they are both really similar. I would say even the same products based on the specifications you can read right here. Now, even when you're going to go further, you see the price is more expensive for the G10 Plus. I don't know why. Like, I got no idea why. Maybe it's because it's in different part of the world. Who knows? But I just wanted to share is that they are literally the same things regards all the technical specifications that you got with it. And I hope this video helped you regards that if you're going to decide that, okay, you want to buy the G10, but the G10 Plus is better. I mean, based on the specification is not. And even when I read the posts on the answers here, that can someone explain to me what difference between G10 and G10 Plus are in price? Most of the comments say unknown when I compare the models. I just don't want to buy the wrong model or I will annoy later. It's exactly the same model. All accessories are compatible with each other, including the battery. It feels like the G10 Plus vacuums are better. Both are impressive. Now, and this is the thing, right? Is that maybe in some way that we just don't have the information, the G10 Plus is better. But if you decided you want to buy the G10, you're not going to make a mistake. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. Have a great day and goodbye.